Have you ever told yourself, I'll start in 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 3 hours later? You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. Procrastination isn't a time problem, it's a brain problem. And today, I'll show you the real science behind why we procrastinate and how you can finally stop. Inside your brain, there's a constant battle between two systems. The limbic system, your emotional brain, and the prefrontal cortex, your logical brain. The emotional brain wants comfort. The logical brain wants progress. When a task feels boring, hard, confusing, or overwhelming, your emotional brain wins and you procrastinate. Your brain is addicted to dopamine, the hormone of instant pleasure. Tasks like scrolling your phone, watching YouTube, checking messages, eating snacks, give your brain a quick dopamine hit. But tasks like studying, writing, or working, they give delayed rewards. So your brain chooses the easy hit every time. Procrastination is also a fear response. Fear of failure, fear of not being good enough, fear of starting something difficult. Your brain thinks the task is a threat and pushes you to escape, so you run to distractions. Overwhelm paralyzes the brain. When a task feels too big, your brain freezes. It doesn't know where to begin, so it chooses the easiest path. Do nothing. Procrastination becomes a habit cycle. You face a task, you feel discomfort, you escape to a distraction, you feel temporary relief, then guilt kicks in. Your brain learns avoiding tasks equals feeling better. How do you stop procrastinating? 1. The 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, just do 2 minutes. Starting kills procrastination. 2. Break tasks into micro steps. Don't study biology. Start with open the book. Small steps equals fast momentum. 3. Remove the first layer of distraction. Put your phone outside your room. Your willpower is strongest at the start. Protect it. 4. Use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. Count down from 5 and move immediately. It bypasses the emotional brain. 5. Reward yourself after tasks. Give your brain dopamine after work, and it will start craving productivity. 6. Make tomorrow easy. Set up your workspace the night before, so starting feels effortless. You're not lazy. You're just human. Once you understand your brain, you can finally take control. If you want more psychology videos like this, subscribe to Innovate Education.